Okay, so we've got the back spun round. Now we'll probably be having a look inside here properly. I'm not too comfortable with these tubes, how they are, but anyway, we'll have a look later. Right, so this is an Allen key, which I don't really want to explain to people what an Allen key is, but it is what it is. So we'll take that out and lose it in the process. So I would expect, there we go. So that's what you're essentially paying for, folks. So this one, I don't know whether, see if we can get you in on that. Trying to, so you can see there, say peak power 100 watts, agreement power 39 watts, which is a bit frustrating, but you know, I'm not going to argue. So, QR code. So we can see that I have water flow in down here and around. So once we get up and running, I'll obviously show you how it all flows around. And up here is essentially the business end. So your laser is going to come out, hit that mirror, and go in that way. Again, I'm going to go through and help you folks just as much as I'm going to help myself to get it that it's firing centrally along. But there we go, that's quite nice. We're back on. Go. So that, oops, I'm afraid I'm bloody dropping things. So as things go, your extractor fan, which has already got something. What the bloody hell was that? Oh, okay. So that little thing that I cut off is actually a USB key. Bit strange really, if you ask me, to tie it in through this and the rail, but you know, keep an eye out for your USB key. We'll figure out what that's going to be for as well. So this with your extractor fan will go in there, which I'm expecting to do something like that. Whoops. However, we'll leave that there for the moment. I'm going to mess around with this already because I've got something which has got a hell of a lot more grunt than this. Okay, it's probably going to do the trick to a degree, but it's not what I want it for. I want it to be a little bit better. Also, I've had a little look around and they reckon that the power supply unit's not up to scratch. That'll probably get modified as well. But for what it's worth, it's okay. I'm not going to grumble. I'll probably not yet anyway, but so yeah, that's what you'll be looking at, and then vent that out to where you want it to. What does that go into? So that's going to be, drag some of these out. Those little polystyrene balls get bloody everywhere. So just have a better look before I plug all this in. But that's going to be your power supply. So you're going to need a fair few cables with this. You're going to need one for your water pump, which, let's have a look. So you're going to need some European to UK plugs. In the UK, if you just want to wander down to Maplin, that'll do your trick. Obviously, if you buy this in a different country, then get the power cables as you need. So that is it for now, folks. So it's, yeah, looks like it's going to be some fun. I've got to get a table set up, so we'll get a table set up. There's also the recommendation is to have these tubes in a large bucket of no, said desalinized. I forgot the word, but it's that one. It's I can't believe I forgot it. Yeah, basically it's yeah, that water. I'm going to have to put the words up on the screen. I'll have to bloody Google it. So yes, you can stick it in there. It's just to help that it doesn't get any algae built up. I have had a tip from Paul Elliott, who suggests putting a teaspoon of bleach in there. I've got, essentially it's a 25 litre tub that I'm going to route these through. I've got some grommets and I'll get that all done. But there we go. Obviously any questions, ask me. Again, this will be a bit of a journey for me to go through using Linux for this. But, you know, in for a penny, in for a pound. Yeah, thanks a lot.